If you're over 50 and finding that everyday tasks feel harder than they used to, like lifting groceries, climbing stairs, or even getting out of a chair, there's something important you need to know. Your muscles might be quietly vanishing, and the reason could be something very simple that's missing from your diet. It's not your age or activity level alone. It's one food, yes, just one that most seniors don't get enough of, and without it, your strength slowly fades away. This one missing food plays a massive role in how you age, how strong you stay, and how long you can remain independent. Muscle loss happens faster than most people realize. It's called sarcopenia, and by age 60, nearly 1 in 3 adults is already experiencing it. At first, it doesn't feel like much. Maybe you feel a little weaker than before, or your pants fit differently. Maybe your walk has gotten slower. But over time, as your muscles break down faster than they rebuild, you begin to feel less steady on your feet, less energetic, and more dependent on others for support. The most frustrating part is that many seniors believe this is just a normal part of getting older when, in fact, it's not only preventable but even reversible. The key lies in your nutrition, specifically in how much quality protein you're eating every single day. Protein is the building block of muscle. It repairs damage, keeps your metabolism steady, and helps you stay active. But as you age, your body needs more of it. And yet, many seniors actually eat less protein as the years go by. Smaller appetites, dietary restrictions, or habits formed in younger years all contribute to a diet that's too low in the most vital muscle-saving nutrient. Without enough protein, your body simply doesn't have the tools it needs to stay strong. Let's make it clear, not all proteins are equal. Seniors especially need high-quality, complete proteins that include all essential amino acids, because these are what actually rebuild muscle. Eggs are one of the best choices. Not only are they packed with protein, but they also contain leucine, a critical amino acid that directly stimulates muscle repair. One large egg gives you about 6 grams of protein. Add a couple of eggs to your morning routine and you're off to a great start. Greek yogurt is another top option. A single cup can offer up to 20 grams of protein and it's easy to digest. Cottage cheese is also incredibly effective. It contains casein, a slow-digesting protein that supports overnight muscle recovery. Lean meats like chicken and turkey are packed with muscle-friendly protein and can be easily added to lunch or dinner. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna don't just provide protein, they also give you omega-3 fats, which reduce muscle inflammation and support better recovery. And if you have a low appetite or difficulty chewing, whey protein shakes can be an excellent solution. A scoop of whey protein in a smoothie is fast, convenient, and effective. If you prefer a plant-based diet, don't worry, you still have great options. Lentils, chickpeas, quinoa, tempeh, and tofu all contain plant-based proteins. To make sure you're getting all the essential amino acids, combine these with whole grains like brown rice, oats, or whole wheat bread. The goal is to make each meal complete and balanced. Ideally, aim for 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal and space them out throughout the day. Most seniors eat too little protein in the morning and too much at night. Shifting that balance can make a huge difference. It's also important to understand why losing muscle is more serious than just feeling weak. Muscle is essential for balance, posture, metabolism, and even brain function. When you lose muscle, your risk of falling increases dramatically. A simple slip in the kitchen or bathroom could lead to a broken bone, and that one injury could start a chain reaction that changes your life. Studies have shown that seniors with more muscle recover faster from illness, avoid hospital stays, and live more independent lives. It's not just about appearance, it's about quality of life. The combination of proper protein intake and light movement is the best way to maintain and rebuild muscle. You don't need to lift heavy weights or spend hours at a gym. Simple exercises like chair squats, wall push-ups, resistance band workouts, or even daily walks can keep your muscles active. These movements help the protein you eat actually get used by your body. Without movement, even a protein-rich diet can't do its job fully. Think of movement as the switch that turns on muscle growth and protein as the fuel that powers it. Alongside movement, make sure you're also getting enough rest. Muscle repair happens while you sleep. If you're only sleeping 4 or 5 hours a night, your body never gets the chance to recover. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of good sleep, stay hydrated throughout the day, and avoid skipping meals. Recovery is a vital piece of the puzzle. Stress also affects how your muscles repair themselves, so managing stress with calm breathing, hobbies, or short walks outdoors can support your physical health too. You may already be showing signs of not getting enough protein and not even realize it. Constant tiredness, slower healing, thinning hair, weak nails, muscle cramps, and poor balance can all point to protein deficiency. You may even notice your appetite is low or you feel full quickly, both common in older adults. But that's why choosing more protein-rich meals is so important. Even small changes like eating a boiled egg as a snack instead of crackers can shift your health in a big way. Add protein gradually and your body will adjust and benefit. Let's walk through a high-protein day to see how easy it can be. For breakfast, you could have 2 eggs, a slice of whole grain toast, and a cup of plain Greek yogurt with fresh berries. That gives you around 30 grams of protein to start your day strong. For lunch, a grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, avocado, chickpeas, and a boiled egg offers another 30 to 35 grams. As a snack, enjoy a cup of cottage cheese with fruit or a small handful of almonds and cheese. That's another 15 grams. For dinner, try baked salmon with quinoa and steamed broccoli, along with a glass of milk or a light protein shake. That adds another 30 grams. In total, that's more than 100 grams of protein in one day, perfect for preserving and rebuilding muscle. This doesn't require expensive supplements or complex meal plans. Everything can be found at your local grocery store. It's affordable, practical, and delicious. You don't need to be perfect, just consistent. Choose protein in the morning, choose protein at lunch, and balance your plate at night. You'll notice changes in how you feel: more energy, better strength, improved balance, and more confidence in doing the things you love. Don't let muscle loss control your future. The solution is simple: add the protein your body has been craving. You have the power to stay strong, active, and independent well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Make the change today and give your muscles a second chance to thrive.